Okay, let us discuss this problem. So you copy this one and then we'll discuss the solution part. So are you able to see or not? I think you are able to see. So you have NET. So triethylamine, and if it reacts with CCl2 dot, that is a carbene, it forms a unstable adduct. There is the two things attaching and it is forming a D. And now D further, because unstable, it forms E plus C2H4, and this is the intramolecular E2 reaction. This is also given. This reaction is a intramolecular E2 reaction. So basically D dissociates into E plus C2H4. E further reacts with NH2 and it forms F. So E reacts with H2O and forms F. You have to write down the product in this reaction. So let us first copy this one. What can you do? You have a nitrogen lone pair carbene. Carbene is the electrophile. So this is the electrophile and this is a nucleophile. So this is nothing but electrophile nucleophile reaction. This lone pair can go here and it can form a bond. So are you getting or not? So this goes here and it can form a bond. So here will be a positive charge, here will be a negative charge, or you can form two bonds. So if you form something like this here, this electron goes here. Now nitrogen, I cannot write this resonating structure because what is the how many bond nitrogen have? 5. So it is impossible. Nitrogen cannot have 5. So I can have only one possibility. I have to make only one bond, and there will be a positive charge and there will be a negative charge. One electron cloud will be here, one pair of. So this is the right structure. Now this is the unstable adduct that you will get in the first part. Now this is D. So my D is this. So a salt. So plus minus internal salt you can say. Now question says this goes elimination, it releases C2H4 plus E. So I am sure I have to release C2H4. So I have to release C2H4. So let us write this molecule again this way. ET1 and ET I have expanded. So this is CH2CH2H. I have expanded this one ET group. So this means I have to release CH2CH2. This suggests me I have to break this bond and I have to break this bond. I can break this bond easily if this carbon ion takes this hydrogen. Same time this goes here and this goes here. So I can clearly break this bond and I will get all the desired product. I will get ET CH2 double bond CH2, that is C2H4, and I will get the resultant another product. So you see, if I do the follow the arrow, I will get E plus CH2 double bond CH2. So E2 has a molecular formula of C2H4. So E has a molecular formula of C2H4. Now if you see, so this is E has a form, E is this, you have another product C2H4. Now the question says, if E reacts with water it forms F. Now things are very simple. Now what water will do? Water will replace this Cl, replace this Cl. So if this replacement of Cl with OH, I can write something like this. And now everybody knows on same carbon two H groups are not stable. So this molecule is unstable. So it can easily release one molecule of water. So it can easily release H2O. So if you release H2O, so this negative charge, so this lone pair and this double bond, basically I can lose H2O and then it will form something like F. So F is this desired product. Are you getting or not? So you copy this one. This is slightly easy problem. You see one important point, you have a elimination E2, that is intramolecular elimination. So you can have a elimination intramolecular E2 also. So in this case elimination is intramolecular. So E2 is intramolecular. So same molecule acting as a base, same molecule takes H plus and this goes. So elimination in this case is intramolecular in nature. Are you getting? Okay. Okay, before we will go for the next problem. So people are enjoying. If you cover all these materials, if you remember all these materials, I don't think in JEE somebody can ask something difficult than these all concepts which we are going, because we are following the Solomon, we are also following other foreign author books like LG Wade we are following, CNAs we are following. We are following, what are the books? Loden, there's another book. There are so many books. So we are reading the book, we are doing the problems. I don't think anybody can ask apart from these books. So concepts are limited. So we will discuss the next problem.